My name is Tian, and on today's how-to we're going to show you how to change the color of a header or the opacity of a header when the page scrolls to make it see-through. You can change the color and so forth. So to start out, a blank template. We've got a page where the background is white, so let's make the background a color that's easy to see. We're going to make it blue, and then we're going to click on the header and change the header design to the color that you want to show up when somebody comes to the page at first. I'm just going to make it a plain solid white. Then head over to Add on the left and go down to More and click on an anchor. Now you can place this anchor basically where you want the page to start changing the color of the header. So I'm going to place it right at the top just for the sake of this example, so it's easy to follow. And then head over to your Tools panel and open the Properties panel. Then on the Anchors menu, we're just going to say on Viewport Enter and on Viewport Leave. Okay, that's basically it for what we're going to add to the page elements. I'm going to close that. Now on Viewport Enter, it's basically when the screen scrolls back into the anchor, so we want this to be the same color as it is now, the same color that your page loads. So I'm going to say sw brackets parentheses and a hash sign header1, which is my header's name, dot style dot background color equals then some parentheses, and then we're going to use the RGBA for this example because we can use it to set the opacity. So RGBA and some brackets. And the solid color for white in RGBA, I'll show you now how to find it, is 255, 255, 255, and then the A is obviously the opacity, so we're going to set it to 1, which is a full value. And I'm just going to copy the same line over and paste it into the bottom one. I'm just going to change the opacity to 0.5, so it's 50% see-through. That is it for the code of things. Let's see how it works and if it works. Okay, it's as easy as that. So just when the anchor scrolls out of the page, it makes the header see-through. 50% when it scrolls back in, it becomes visible. You could use the same method to change the color from red to blue, whatever you like really. So just to change or to show you how to find the color, the RGBA panel, it's actually quite easy within WiX. Just go to Fill Color and Opacity, click on the color, say Add Color, and RGB. So you can see that it's 255, 255, 255. If you want to make it red, you've got 140, 29, 29. So we can actually do that as well. We can change the color from red to white and back and forth, just as easy as that by simply stating the color change. So let's actually do one quickly where we change the color to this this red we've got. So it's 140, 29, 29. I'm just going to set it back to white, so we've got a clean canvas to start with. So what was that? 140, 29, 29. Let's make it solid red. There we go. So the moment you scroll out, it changes the background's color to red, and when you scroll back in, it's back to white. Guys, that is as simple as it. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.